Yes, CSS animation. You can also do character animations. Yeah, frame by frame. Everything in stages. Yep. And I actually taught a class where we did just that, where we were doing CSS animations to make characters fight and dance and jump off cliffs. Some of the kids were pretty creative with what they did. But yeah, thanks you for bringing that up. That's one use case of CSS animation. And you can do the same thing with SVG animation too. The benefit of SVG animation, just to let you know, is it's more complicated, but you can animate the curves. So if you wanted like a billowing cloud kind of animation, like, or like bubbles kind of like growing and like changing, morphing in different shapes, that's SVG animations will allow you to make that. CSS animations is more fixed to certain geometries. So if you want to see an SVG animation here, we can just add more numbers here. We can just have fun with these numbers here. I can put 30, put 400 here, and maybe add a fourth point, like, I don't know, 700, 700. I actually have to stay within the 300, and maybe I'll put like 200, 200, something like this. I'm just putting some random points here so you can see how the top kind of deforms. So you can see how it deformed into a different shape. So it allows you to form things. You also can do stages in SVG animation. So you can have like those balloon clouds and things. Get back to my code. So just have fun experimenting with it, guys.